Hey guys, what's going on? And in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you guys like a quick update on things that are going on with all the cars and what I've been working on, and just life updates. But if you guys have been wondering where the Honda content is, don't worry, there'll be more coming soon. But I do have to take a little bit of a break because my truck did break. So I now have the Honda as the daily. So it's bit interesting. The truck's now the project, so I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But I had something else snap on the frame of the truck, so I don't really want to drive it because I have a snap cross member in the back, and I really need to just fix the frame like for good. I got to put a new frame on it because I don't really want to get rid of it. So the Honda stuff has sort of come to a stop because I need to fix the truck. So I'll see if I can show you guys underneath. The truck looks great. It really is in good shape body wise. It looks awesome, but the underside is a different story. This thing's just so rotted out underneath. So if you guys look under here, you can see how rotted this is, and this cross member right here is actually completely detached. So I don't know if you can see the play, but that cross member's completely detached. It's pretty bad. It happened to the front cross member up there, and I repaired it. I put a new cross member in just out of some bar. But up above the bump stop, you can see there's holes in the frame. This bar right here has got all kinds of holes in it. Only solid thing back here really is this trailer hitch, and that's why I turned it inside out and left it here, because that sort of holds the back end together. This truck's pretty shot, so really got to do something about all these holes, and the real way to do it is to put a new frame on it, because even the rails are getting pretty thin, and maybe I could try to patch it, but I really want to try to save the truck. This is taking priority over the Honda right now just because I need a daily. I need something that I can drive while I do body work on the Honda, and I need to be able to have a reliable vehicle, and now this thing is breaking on me. So the drivetrain's mint. I just got to fix the frame, and this thing should go for a long time. As far as the Honda goes, haven't really done too much since the spoiler. Yeah, I really want to do more with it. I did just get a new rear lip, which is sweet. I had a buddy order that for me, so I got this guy. It's a nice fiberglass Mugen rear lip. So it's a two-piece, it'll go on both sides. I already kind of held it up and it looks really sweet, so I'm pumped about that. So things that are coming up for that are this rear bumper right here. I want to try to fix this. I was going to try to get a new bumper, but I did see a few videos of people fixing bumpers, and I think that if I can straighten this out and make it look decent, then I'll just rock this bumper because I'll save myself some money, and I would like to learn how to fix plastic bumpers. So I want to make this body line a little bit better, and I'd like to just sort of smooth this out and make it not all wrinkled. So we'll see if I can fix it. If I can, cool, I'll mount the lip on this bumper. If I can't, then I'll just get another one like I was planning. But yeah, so that's what's going on with that. And obviously I still got tons of body work to do on the rest of the car, which I will get to. I want to fill in these holes here. That might come up soon, but can't really do anything where it's going to stay bare metal, or else I won't be able to drive it to work every day. So that's why I got to get the truck fixed. But there's something standing in the way of that even. But yeah, so I really only have like a couple of options for this. Option number one being I get a frame from a junkyard and I swap it. But the issue with that is it's hard to find a frame for a single cab short bed pickup such as this one. There aren't very many available. And a lot of them are either hit or rusted that are at the junkyard, so that's kind of tough. Another option I might have is a lot of times they sell front sections of frames or only rear sections because the other half's damaged or what have you. So if I bought two sections of frame, welded them together, then I could have a full frame, but I'd have to make sure everything was square. I don't want this thing to track down the road sideways because that would really piss me off. I'd probably sell it. So I want it to be perfect. I want it to be right. But the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to buy another truck that is the same single cab short bed, completely swap everything over. So just take the cab and bed off of that one and completely clean the frame and paint it and try to get it so that it doesn't ever rust, and then assemble my truck on that frame. And essentially, I think that would be the best way to go about it. And that's what I really would like to do. It is going to take a long time, and during that time, I'm not really going to be able to work on the Honda. So that is really what's kind of bumming me out about this whole thing. So the Honda is going to, I mean, I'll do little stuff here and there, but I'm not going to really be able to disable it, and I'm really hoping that I don't ever blow it up, because then I'll be without a car. So, got to start working on the truck. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you have any advice. I mean, I could just Band-Aid fix this thing for now, because I don't really have time to do this whole project. And part of me is leaning towards that, is just putting another cross member in and welding some plates on it and getting this thing ready in like a month or so, and then I can get back to work on this until this thing is, you know, where I want it to be. But I guess we're just gonna have to see. Time will tell. But the other thing here that's pulling me away from working on my truck right now is this truck right here, which is my mailman's vehicle, and this thing has a broken transmission. So it would get stuck in third gear, and we're having a lot of issues with it. I might post this video first, but I have completely pulled the trans, and I think I'm going to post that video, the trans pulling. I'll post that tonight, and then this video will get posted after. But I am rebuilding it right now, so I've got the valve body off. I just went through and cleaned all the valves and the valve body, took all the check balls out. Everything's nice and clean now, cleaned out all the passages, so we should be good to go. Still got to put the shift solenoids and everything back in. But yeah, this is a first for me. I never rebuilt a trans, so I'm kind of just going through it here step by step. And we had some burned clutches and some messed up stuff in here, but didn't really find the problem per se. So we're just going to do a full rebuild on it and put it back in the car, and hopefully he's good to go. Probably going to have to go with a new torque converter and a lot of new parts here. Had a lot of parts that my dad brought from work that he had lying around, so that was pretty cool. But I didn't film too much of the disassembly and reassembly. I just filmed pulling it out because this is all new to me, and I'm really trying to learn here because I really would like to be able to do transmissions, and it's hard for me to do a video when I don't really know what's going on. So I'm trying to learn for myself. And yeah, I mean, in the future I'm sure I'll do another transmission in an automatic at some point. So this is good for me to learn. So hopefully you guys bear with me. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately, but this is just, I wanted to get this out there so you guys know what's going on. And I got numerous other stuff going on too, like this cabinet here. Building this for my brother. He's got a fish tank he wants to put on here, so I'm building this at work. Use some of our plywood here, and we're going to laminate the top on this and put a nice back on it with a nice laminated door, so it should be pretty nice. I'm stoked about that for him. But yeah, I kind of got some setbacks going on with the Honda, but you know, hopefully you guys bear with me. I do have plans coming for the Honda. There is stuff that I can work on without disabling the car, so one of which being the rear bumper. So I think that I can definitely pull the rear bumper off and drive with no rear bumper. It looks hood, but I like it. I don't care, the whole car looks like that anyway. But yeah, this rear lip here looks really sick. I already showed this to you guys, but I just want to show you again. But when I get this thing all propped up on here, it looks really awesome. So I think that, yeah, I can get it to stay like that. So that just gives you an idea of what it's going to look like on there, which that looks freaking awesome. I love that. So I'm pumped. It's going to look sweet. And yeah, I'll try to keep you guys in the loop. And we're going to get a good amount of low out of that for sure. It's going to be much lower. I dig it. But yeah, so I think that's going to be all for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the update. I know it was just a bunch of talking, but just wanted to let you guys know what's up. And if you guys are followers of the channel, you know, I appreciate it. It does help out when you guys like the videos and stuff like that, and you're always commenting. I do appreciate all the comments, and I know some of you are loyal, and I appreciate it. So thanks for watching the videos, guys, and I'll try to keep them coming for you, whether they're about the truck or about the Honda or about the mailman's transmission. I'm just going to try to keep making some videos. So I kind of lost some motivation for a little while here just because the truck's broke, and I'm a little bummed about it, but I'm getting over it. I'll get it fixed like I do with everything else, and we'll get back to working on the project car, which is, you know, what I really enjoy doing at this point. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't, like the video, and stay tuned for more. There'll definitely be more coming up. Peace out.